Hey YouTube, this is Swiss Collector again. Got a special treat for you here. As you can see, Jon Paul II, Pamp Suisse collection. This is the box. It's actually got some slight damage in the corner there, unfortunately. Really nice box here. To clean it out a little bit. Here are the bars here. There we go. It's a very rare set here. I don't know if it's 500 minted. I know it's a very rare set. I got these for about $100 a piece. $400 for the whole set here. I thought it was worth it. Got it from a guy in the UK. There's actually a guy on eBay right now. He has one, but he doesn't have it listed. He wants like $600. That's the least he would take for it. They're not inside their sleeves here, or inside the packaging. This ARE card. Told him it was way too much, so I had to pass up on that deal. I think it's Big Tomcat is his eBay name. But he has a lot of expensive Pamp Suisse that you don't want to purchase. Costs way too much. I think he's charging like $2,000 for Stations of the Cross set. This is very nice set here. This one is unfortunately out of its RARE card. That's how he sent it to me, but no damage, so that's a plus. Keep an eye out for my next video.